Unong thau ai na Nongpoh kathon si ba Mayralborn siam haka kenta kli jing kli ka dorbar mang tengka ka yeng dorbar thau ai haka khatoi tere kulber arjar arhuar ula kentu ya ka sorkar jalaban pyntreikam no ya ka trauma center hanongpoh civil hospital bantau snam haba jubab ba lakman rumboi menteri ka sorkar jalau ong ba ka sorkar sen ka pyntreikam no ya ka trauma center tang sudap pansna ya ka ulai thu ba project ka song dor hadu lai pen ruk lur tengka nakaba ar pen sau ko lur tengka kadai nak banta ki tiar gitar arlak nak banta ka communication ban ripo hajar tengka nak banta kiwi pan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the trauma center at Nongpoh Civil Hospital has been taken up under the scheme Capacity Building for Development of Trauma Care Facilities at National Highways under the CSS. At present, the physical and financial progress of the work is 75%, and the building is currently utilized as COVID ward and district COVID laboratory.
Honorable Speaker, sir, even though yesterday partially we have discussed on this same issue, may I know from the Honorable Minister the total project cost of this project and the actual timeline to complete this project, because this is not a new project, it is a long time back and has been started. So I would like to know, because now the SOR during that time, it is different now, it is remaining 25%, how the contractor or the firm will be completed, because it is an old project. So I would like to know the project cost and the actual timeline to complete and to address with the present rate escalation to complete the work.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the total cost of the project for the building is 1 crore, and the physical and financial progress is 75%. And for equipment is 2 crore 40 lakh, and for communication is 2 lakh 40,000, and others are 60,000. So total project cost is 3 crore 6 lakh, sir.
The actual timeline for completion, sir, on the original DPR, on the original work order?
Sir, as I stated in the reply, that this is also used as the COVID center. So, sir, we will try to do as early as possible. But as I said, due to constraint of using the center also as the COVID center, it will take some time. But from the government, we will try to do as early as possible. Let's hope that this phase of COVID would be over, then so that the work will do in full swings.
Would like to know from the Honorable Minister, this 25% remaining, it includes which component? Even civil work also is still there, or it is for the equipment for this trauma center?
Sir, from this 1 crore, the physical and financial progress is 5,000, and because this is for the building, sir, the exact what it is not yet complete, I didn't have with me, but for equipment 2 crore 40 lakh, and communication 2 lakh 40,000, and legal service and data entry is 60,000 that we have not utilized now, sir.
So when we talk about trauma center, we know in Nongpoh district, within the premises of civil hospital, the blood bank is already in place. It is there, it is functioning well. I would like to know what is the status of the construction of the operation theater, the OT within this trauma center.
Sir, I have already stated that. I didn't have the data. What is this 25% constitute with me? So for that, I require notice.
My humble submission to the Honorable Minister and to the government is that in this 58th statehood of our state, this is one of the projects which has been lying there. It has not been made operationalized till now. Being on the National Highway 40, we have seen incidents very now and then. the accidental cases along the highway. So I would like to suggest, my humble request is that the government, the department to look into and to make it operationalized within this year. This is my submission, sir.
The purpose of the setting of this trauma center is to complete it, sir. So as soon as the work is complete, that remaining 25% is completed, we will try to operationalize it, sir.